Companies offering drone-based services could soon breathe a sigh of relief after the Kenya Civil Aviation Authority said plans are underway to lift the ban on the use of drones in the country. KCAA says this will happen once fresh regulations are gazetted and ratified by Parliament. Victor Kiprop reports on what appears to be like yet another case of regulation playing catch-up on innovation.
In what will be its second attempt to introduce regulations that will guide provision of drone services in the country, Kenya Civil Aviation Authority (KCAA) says it will be once again seeking a green light from Parliament for its fresh drone regulations in the coming weeks.
We've given the new regulations to our Cabinet Secretary for him to promulgate them and put them in the Kenya Gazette. And then within 7 days of that time, we're going to go to Parliament, Committee on Delegated Legislations. Those are the guys who had annulled the regulations. We go back to them and say, here are the regulations, we've addressed your concerns, kindly approve.
Parliament had in June last year annulled the regulations forwarded by KCAA, arguing that there was inadequate public participation and that they also fell short of addressing issues around safety, security and breach of personal privacy. The ban dealt a major blow to companies offering drone-based services such as photography and videography, as well as those in health, humanitarian and wildlife conservation sectors, where drones are used for delivery of drugs and mapping activities.
Kenya and KCAA fully supports drone operations in this country. All we need is that mechanism, that legislation, to be able to enforce that a drone operator will be able to operate within the rules and regulations that are created by ICAO.
In Africa, only Rwanda and South Africa have laws allowing the exploration of drones for economic use, but the technology is also being tested in other countries including Ethiopia and Malawi. Victor Kiprop, NTV Business.